Welcome to Beautyistic. If you've been on the hunt for a liquid eyeliner that combines precision with a formula gentle enough for even the most sensitive eyes, then this might be just what you're looking for. Let's dive into Mineral Fusion's liquid eyeliner in Ebony, a product that promises long-lasting wear without sacrificing skin health. Make sure you're subscribed and hit that bell icon so you never miss a future review on all things beauty. Mineral Fusion Liquid Eyeliner comes in a sleek 0.1 ounce tube, and while the packaging may vary, the formula inside remains consistent. It's designed to glide on smoothly with a precision tip felt applicator, giving you control for a sharp, defined line. It's touted as hypoallergenic, which is a great sign for anyone with sensitive skin or eyes. The formula itself is enriched with chamomile, meadowfoam, and vitamin E, ingredients that are known for their soothing properties, which is ideal for the delicate skin around your eyes. This could be a game changer for those who are prone to irritation from other eyeliners. The formula claims to be long-wearing, and I was curious to see how it holds up throughout the day. I tested it during my regular workday and in the evening when I was out with friends. Let me tell you, this eyeliner stays in place. I didn't notice any smudging or fading, even after hours of wear. The application is smooth, with no tugging or skipping, thanks to that felt tip applicator. I also loved how the color payoff is bold yet buildable. You can go for a subtle, thin line or layer it on for something more dramatic. But what about comfort? Well, here's the real kicker. It's actually soothing to wear. Unlike some eyeliners that can feel dry or tight on the skin, Mineral Fusion's formula feels soft, almost like it's hydrating the area. That's definitely a plus for anyone with sensitive eyes, or if you wear makeup for extended periods of time. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, this eyeliner offers amazing wear time without compromising on comfort. The formula is free from artificial fragrances, parabens, and talc, making it a much cleaner option compared to some traditional eyeliners. The pigmentation is solid, and it really gives you that crisp, defined line we all look for in a liquid eyeliner. However, there's a small drawback with the packaging. While the tube is sleek, the precision tip applicator can sometimes be a bit too firm, making it a challenge for those who prefer a more flexible applicator for detailed work, like tight lining or creating softer, smudged looks. Now the big question, does it offer good value for money? Considering its clean, soothing ingredients and the solid performance, I would say yes, especially if you're someone who struggles with sensitivities or is simply looking for a healthier option in your makeup routine. It's not the cheapest eyeliner on the market, but for the quality and benefits it offers, I do think it's worth the price. I've seen other natural, mineral-based eyeliners out there, but Mineral Fusion stands out because of its commitment to quality ingredients and its impressive wear time. It's a bit higher in price than some drugstore options, but when you factor in the clean ingredients and soothing benefits, it makes sense. In terms of build quality, the packaging feels solid. While it's compact, the tube is sturdy, and I didn't experience any issues with it leaking or cracking, even after a few drops. The formula itself lasts well, and even after several hours of wear, it didn't start to fade or separate, which is a big plus. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. When it comes to customer service, I didn't have any direct issues, but based on the brand's reputation for customer care, I would imagine that they're responsive if any concerns arise. They've built a solid reputation around their natural products, and I feel confident in recommending them based on their history of handling customer inquiries with care. If you're looking for something more affordable, there are other clean eyeliners out there, but few offer the same soothing ingredients and high performance as this one. If you're willing to splurge a little, I think this one is definitely worth trying. To wrap up, I think the Mineral Fusion Liquid Eyeliner is a solid choice for anyone looking for a reliable, hypoallergenic eyeliner that doesn't compromise on performance or comfort. It's ideal for those with sensitive eyes or anyone who prefers cleaner, more natural beauty products. While the applicator could be more flexible, The wear time, pigmentation, and soothing formula make up for it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out the link in the comments if you're interested in this eyeliner, and feel free to share your thoughts if you've already tried it. I'd love to hear what you think. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.